Target right now. I am loading up my cart and we are going to go in the dressing room and try stuff on. I'm hoping that, you know, security doesn't come after me again today. If you guys watched, I think it was 2 Target in the dressing rooms ago. I did get questioned on my way out and kind of followed, but I'm, you know, all here, you know, doing my thing, and hopefully no one bothers me. There's probably someone listening to me right now, but I kind of don't care. Sorry about the gum in my mouth. This is not professional. But you guys have the cutest jumpsuit on. You guys remember this one from, where is it from? Cupshe. So cute and comfy, and I thought it would be easy to take on and off. This lighting is not the greatest. Okay, where's my ring light? But my cart is getting loaded and we're gonna go inside the dressing room and figure all of this stuff out. Hey guys, it's me in the dressing room. I'm showing you again that Cupshe jumpsuit. Also, check out those cute sandals. Those are from Dreampairs. So if I can link them, I will. They are from last year, but I absolutely live in them. And here is me showing you all of the stuff that I have in store for you. You guys are gonna love it. All right, you guys, there I am showing you my first look. Check out those gorgeous shoes. They are wedges. I absolutely love them. They are a Cork wedge, and they are going to go with all the outfits that I'm about to show you. Look how they elongate my legs. Anyway, can you believe your girl picked out a white button-down? It's a classic button-down shirt by Universal Thread. I'm wearing it in a size small, and I paired it with these high-rise utility shorts, also by Universal Thread. I'm wearing those in a size 4, and they consider that color red. I would say it was a more orangey red, but whatever. I thought this look was so cute. It's very expensive looking. I feel like it's from J. Crew, but it's not. It's affordable as always. Okay guys, do I even have to say it? Pretty Woman vibes. Hello, if you know, you know. This gorgeous dress is in a size small. I just love the maxi length. Again, the Cork shoes are still looking good, but those polka dots are fantastic. I think this dress can go for any occasion. Work, dinner, a wedding, you name it. Again, those Pretty Women vibes. I can't. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you getting those vibes? Look at me dancing. And I am wearing it in a size small. I found that I had plenty of room, and I pulled it right over my head. I am apparently fascinated with those Cork wedges. You're going to see them obviously throughout this entire haul. Okay, it is a little low. If you wear it to work, I would recommend maybe a cami underneath, but it really does go with everything. Okay, if there was a fail in today's haul, it's probably going to be these women's tie waist linen mid-rise pull-on shorts. I really felt that they did absolutely nothing for me. They're in a size extra small and they are huge on me. So I would probably not recommend these, but if you're looking for something loose and comfy, these are it for sure. I also paired them with this really cute, like charcoal colored, it's a crop tank. It's gorgeous. That one I loved. It's called the women's seamed tank, and I wore it in a medium because I thought this would be a whole like comfy vibe, which it absolutely is. But again, I'm not 100% in those shorts. I definitely could find something a little more flattering. But everything in this haul will be linked below, including these shorts. All right guys, back with my next look. This is more of a Liz look. I've got some high-rise jeans on. These are by Knox Rose, you guys. They are so cool. Now first let me talk about the one shoulder tank. Oh no, we're back to the jeans. I pulled them off the rack in a size 8. I am here to tell you I could have absolutely gotten away with a 6, possibly a 4. There's a ton of stretch in these jeans, and I think at some point I do show you that. Here I go, see? Tons and tons of stretch. I love the way the booty looks. Thank you, Knox Rose. I think this whole look looks great with the wedge shoes, of course. The flare and high rise are my favorite type of jeans these days. But that one shoulder tank I had in a size small, do you love it? I'm asking you, do you love it? And I would recommend sizing up on that one shoulder tank. But check out those jeans. I love the wash. They are fantastic. I think they're only $35. And Knox Rose was not playing around with these. They are giving me good booty vibes. You see that dance there? Don't ask me what goes on in those dressing rooms. But anyway, I love this whole entire look, especially the flare with the Cork wedges. And you guys know I love my one shoulder shirts. So make sure you size up in that one. All right, my next look is another fave. Do you guys remember in my last Target in the dressing room, I showed you this women's slim fit ruched tube top? Loving it. I got it in a small this time and in the color pink to match with these gorgeous linen pants, you guys. They are so cute. That drawstring is functional. They're wide leg, wearing them in a size small, and that fabric I just absolutely love. Showing you the back there in the side mirror. And you guys, this outfit would be great for backyard parties, dinner, brunch, you name it. Target is killing it this year, and I'm in love. The length was kind of long, so make sure you wear that gorgeous wedge heel with them. All right, next up is this gorgeous purple dress, you guys. I'm wearing it in a small, showing you that it has pockets and tiers. I absolutely love it. I love the top because it's smocked, and my favorite part, yes, is that little split in the back that I'm trying to show you in that mirror. Here is a better look at that. Absolutely stunning, you guys. Get this color. I noticed all the black was sold out and all the purple was left. Grab the purple. We can wear a black the rest of the year, right? Holding up my hair so that you guys can see that cool back. I am just in love, and that smocked top really holds the dress in place. If you guys haven't noticed this year, everything seems to be smocked, and I'm loving it. It really does make things hold up well up top. All right, you guys, I'm just going to show you some items that I liked when I was in the store, and I don't know how I do it, but I always manage to find things I can't link. This dress here is not available online, but I do see it in the plus size. It's called the Women's Flutter Short Sleeve Tiered A-line dress. Again, it's from Knox Rose. If I find it, I will make sure to link it for you. All right, you guys, next up is another dress by Knox Rose. I fell in love with this adorable mini dress. I love the tiers on it. It's considered cap sleeve. This one's in a light pink. It does come in dark pink, blue, and I believe gray I see online. But anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. I would recommend a small if you're my size. I hopped over to the juniors department to show some Wild Fable stuff. I really think they have some cute things. This is a tube top. It's smocked in the back. It's super cute. It comes in brown, white, and that gorgeous red. I think next up I'm going to show you the pretty white. You guys, I would recommend sizing up in this brand, so go to a medium on this one. And they also have really great denim shorts. These are the Wild Fable high-rise cut-off midi jean shorts, so midi being the length, which I do like. They're a little longer than the typical denim shorts, but not quite a Bermuda. All right, you guys, I thought I was done until I saw this gorgeous green tank top that ties in the front. I love the length. I love that it's sort of an empire waist. It comes in black, pink, and white as well. I think it's gorgeous. All right, you guys, I am finishing out the video. I wanted to show you these olive glasses. Aren't they so cute? I'll make sure to link them below. Let me try another pair on for you guys really quickly. There's an oversized pair. You guys know I love oversized glasses, and I just can't help myself. Hold on. I have one hand. Don't do this. Don't do what I do. That was gross. What do you think? Aren't these so cute? All right, I'll make sure I link them below. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.